AI, artificial intelligence. Microsoft has announced its product Copilot with the tag name Your Everyday AI Companion. This video I'm going to walk through with this announcement and where all places this Copilot is going to be integrated in the product, in Microsoft product suite that it offers. And if we are Windows user, how it can help us and how is it better than other generative AI assistants that we have, ChatGPT, Google Bard and others. So Copilot, if you were a developer, computer programmer, you are aware about this. I'm sure you are aware of this word. So far Copilot screen is like this one. The world's most widely adopted AI developer tool. So it has redefined how we program day-to-day basis. It has improved all that productivity with the assistance in programming to the developers. So it was released by Copilot and it was released by GitHub under the name Copilot. GitHub is also owned by Microsoft. Microsoft has acquired this Copilot company around 2018. So if I talk about dates, it was around October 2018. It acquired GitHub, and Copilot is GitHub's product for AI code assistant. So with the same name, Microsoft has announced kind of similar feature in all of its product suite that it has Microsoft Windows and all places. So let me go with this official announcement and see where all places it is there. So you see, first paragraph, I'm going to read it out. We're entering in new era of AI, one that is fundamentally changing how we relate to and benefit from technology. With the convergence of chat interfaces and large language models, you can now ask for what you want in natural language. And the feature is smart enough and technology is smart enough to answer. That is the difference earlier when we used the internet and after the advancement of the AI. More specifically, if I say since the launch of ChatGPT. Whatever we say, it is naturally going to understand, get the understanding of the context and going to answer the things like that. At Microsoft, we think about this as having a Copilot to help navigate any task. We have been building AI-powered Copilots into our most used and loved products, making coding more efficient with GitHub, transforming productivity at work with Microsoft 365, redefining search with Bing and Edge, and delivering contextual value that works across your apps and PC and Windows. Okay, so let's see the summary only, what all features are there. So new Windows 11 update delivers over 150 new features, including bringing the power of Copilot to the PC, the personal computer that we have. So this is the announcement. So let's play it a bit. So it is very intuitive. So I'll give this link in the description box itself. Go ahead and check out this in detail. So let me walk you through the announcement. You have your time, you go through and watch this video, right? Copilot is coming in Windows, it is coming in Paint, it is coming in Photos, Snipping Tools, Clipchamp, Notepad, with the new Outlook for Windows, modernized File Explorer, new text authoring experience to voice access, Windows backup and all other places it is going to come. Bing and Edge are redefining how we interact with the web. Personalized answers, Copilot in Microsoft Shopping, DALL-E model for OpenAI in Bing Image Creator. I personally use this just before recording this video and it is awesome. I'll try it sometime and show you that. I'll upload that video as well. Content credentials, Bing Chat Enterprise updates, all other transforming work with Microsoft 365, Bing Chat Enterprise and Windows. And then unleashing the personal productivity and creativity with the designer and Copilot in Microsoft 365. Under the designer product also this is coming. You just give some prompt and it is going to give the design of whatever that we want. It can create that, and as per our use case we can edit it further. Introducing new Surface device available for pre-order beginning today for people and business. So Surface device, it is officially by Microsoft, so it has integrated that AI in itself also. So you see the Copilot is everywhere with the Microsoft product suite, whatever it offers there, that AI is going to be integrated with anything. So that's what is going to make it different from other providers like ChatGPT and sort of things that you see. You have to go and explore it, but at the time of using these, like you are using Paint, you are using Office, PowerPoint, if you go get that handy companion task helper, that would be great. I don't have to go any other website or something, right? So that's what it is going to get benefit from that Windows. Okay, so let's walk through. Let's walk through of the frequently asked question that is published on the official site itself, and walk through what is this one. What is Copilot? We just saw that. Just read it out. Microsoft Copilot is an AI powered digital assistant designed to help users with a range of tasks and activities on their devices. It can create drafts of content, suggest different ways to word something you have written, suggest and insert images, create PowerPoint presentation from your Word documents, and many other useful things. How do I get Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps? Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps like Word, PowerPoint is currently available only in a limited preview period. It will be coming to a wider audience in the coming months. Is the content Copilot produces original, like there is no copyright or sort of thing? So Copilot generate content based on the language patterns it has found throughout the internet. Sometime its results will be very similar to the existing internet content, or Copilot might generate the same or very similar content for multiple people who are prompting Copilot in the same way. Let's say an example. Everyone who instructs Copilot to create a recipe for apple pie is likely to wind up with identical or nearly identical content for lots of users. How can I use work created in Microsoft Designer? The Azure OpenAI service and the Designer app are governed by their respective service terms. Under these terms, today Microsoft does not claim ownership of their content input by customers or content output by the service, except for our acceptable use policies. Microsoft terms do not restrict the commercialization of images created with the service, although customers will need to make their own determination regarding the IP rights they have in output content and its commercial usability, taking into account their usage scenarios and the laws of the relevant jurisdiction. So in short, Microsoft is leaving that on the users of the Designer, how you use it and how you take care of the privacy and all sort of things. What is ChatGPT? Very good question. So ChatGPT, it's something that had changed how AI is helping the users throughout the world. And after ChatGPT, there has been kind of rat race around the giant companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, that who is ahead into that one. But till now, in my personal experience, ChatGPT is the best. Okay, so the amount of content it produces, there is no match. ChatGPT is a natural language processing technology from OpenAI that uses machine learning, deep learning, natural language understanding, and natural language generation to answer questions or respond to conversation. It is designed to mimic human conversation by understanding a user's question, comment, and responding in an engaging and conversational way. Other thing we all have been using, I hope, like I'm sure we all are using ChatGPT, so there is nothing new about it. How is Microsoft involved with the ChatGPT? Microsoft and OpenAI are working together to develop the underlying AI. Microsoft is developing and providing the supercomputing infrastructure that OpenAI services run on. What is responsible AI? In this new era where many things are going to be dependent on the artificial intelligence, it is very important to understand the responsible AI. I'm sure this needs a separate discussion, separate things. So there is a dedicated website for this one. A summary is there. A responsible AI is AI that is designed, developed, and deployed in a way that takes into account ethical, legal, and societal considerations. This includes considering the potential for unintended consequences, being transparent about how decisions are made, and respecting the privacy. Responsible AI also requires building trust and ensuring accountability, as well as ensuring that Individuals are not discriminated against due to their race, gender, or other protected characteristics. There is a website for this one. There are different parameters around this one. I will make separate video about this and upload that one, because this channel is no code, right? So I'm going to explore the content like this one, which is analytical, analysis only, discussion only. We'll be uploading those as well. Will AI replace me at work? So this answering this is very difficult. In a way it is, in a way it is no. If you are upskilling yourself, like AI is also a kind of software thing, right? There will be many tasks that it can do which humans are doing right now, and those humans can focus on some other aspects of life. So there is no dearth of work, I can say. काम की कोई कमी नहीं है, but here it is going to make our work more clear, more better in a way, I can say. So AI is not going to replace, AI is not designed to replace people in the workplace. AI is designed to make certain tasks more efficient, but it will not be able to make take over more complex tasks that requires human judgment, decision making, and creativity. AI can help business become more efficient and productive, but it won't replace the need for humans in the workplace. AI can create drafts of content, but it's still important to have a human in the loop to review it and approve the content AI has created. Where can I learn more about privacy? There is a dedicated link that Microsoft has published. You can see this. Do any Microsoft products have built-in AI? Yeah, Microsoft products have built-in AI, including Microsoft 365, Microsoft Azure, Windows, Dynamics 365, and Microsoft Cognitive Services. What are some examples of AI features already available in Microsoft products? So this is there: Microsoft Visual Search, Cognitive Services, Microsoft Translator, Microsoft Office Insights, Speaker Coach. There are a lot there. So that's it about the announcement, what Copilot is. Next video, possibly you will be seeing me that some of the products that Microsoft has integrated with Copilot, like I'm going to show that in the short videos. Okay, so till then, take care, bye bye, see you in the next one with actual